Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 4th, subject Marigold, textbook, Unit 5. In our last video we have learned a poem, Don't Be Afraid of the Dark, and we have completed some activities. Reading is fun and word building. Today we will continue from page number 76, question number 2. Okay, so let's see. Look at these words in the poem, don't and won't. So we have learned a poem, don't be afraid of dark. So there used this word don't. This is a short form of do not. Okay, here are their full forms. Don't, do not. Do not is full form of don't. Okay, then same here, won't. So here full form given, will not. Want is short form of this word, will not. Okay, so there are some many more words given. We have to write it in full form. Now write the full forms of the following words. Okay, so first one is didn't, D-I-D, did, and apostrophe T. So this word is sort of did not. Okay, same as here, shouldn't, S-H-O-U-L-D and apostrophe T. So here full form will be shouldn't, should not. Okay, wouldn't, so here would not. Then couldn't, so could not. And mustn't, so must not. Understand? Okay, now next scene. Okay, now let's talk. There are some questions. Let's see, we will try to give their answer. Are you afraid of the dark? Why? If no, then write no, otherwise yes. So we can say yes, I am afraid of the dark because I fail to see anything in the dark. Then next one is, what do you do when it is dark? What do you do when it is dark? So we can say that I lie down on my bed and think about my friends. And have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. So you can say, I was sitting alone in my room. Suddenly my elder brother entered the room wearing a mask of guy. He stood in front of me and started laughing horribly. I cried loudly in great fear. I can't forget that incident. Okay, now next activity. Let's see. Say aloud. What is the word that starts with T, rhymes with C's, and means to playfully make fun of? What is the word that start with T? That means there is a word start with T. So here we write T, rhymes with C's, and means to playfully make fun of. So answer is tease, T-E-A-S-E, tease. Next one, what is the word that start with C, rhymes with near and fear, and means easy to see, hear and understand? So start with C and rhymes with near and fear and means easy to see. So answer is there, clear, here to understand. Okay. Okay, now say T T T. Where did the tip of the tongue touch? Listen and repeat. Kate, Kate. Did you hear what your tongue did? Say this word and feel what your tongue does when you say toe, top, tie, ten. Toe, top, tie, ten. Okay, now let's see here. Here a book picture given. Did you hear the K sound at the end of the word book? Yes. Let's see. Repeat it. Book, look, neck, duck, cheek, sack, cloak. Again, book, look, neck, duck, cheek, sack, clock. All these words start with the same sound. Here all the words end with sound K, and here start with the same sound. Let's see from K. Kangaroo, curtain, king, key, kind, and kitten. Again, kangaroo, curtain, king, key, kind, and kitten. All these words start with the same sound K. Okay. Now let's see again. Next word, teen time. Divide the class into 4 groups. Imagine life without the sun. What are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight? Discuss with the group and write your ideas in your notebook. This activity you can do with your friends at home. And now let's see what will be answer. So you can answer that if there is no sunlight, there would be darkness everywhere. If there is no sunlight, we would not be able to see around us, and if there is no sunlight, there would no food for us. Okay. Now let's see next activity. Let's write. The red teacups are filled with a particular word. Fill in the yellow teacup with similar sounding words. Note the example given. Okay, so here 2 cups given, red and yellow. Here the red teacups are filled with a particular word. That means here first one example given. Let's see. Two and TWO, two. Both have same sound, but their meaning and their spell differently. Okay, so we have to find some similar words. So let's see. Second one is one. ONE, one. So here we can write WON, one. Both are similar sound. Both have similar sound. Okay, but they have different meaning. Deer, DEER, deer. That means this is an animal name. So here we write DEAR, deer. Then sun, sun, and here SUN, sun. They both have same pronunciation, but their different meaning. This sun means male offspring, and this sun means the star that is the central body of our solar system. Okay. Okay, now next see. Now complete the following sentences choosing the right words. So here some blanks given, we have to choose correct word for this blank. Okay, so let's see first one. The sum was this difficult for the class to solve. Only these students could do it. There are 2 same words, but they have different meaning. So the sum was too difficult. Difficult for the class to solve. Only 2 students could do it. Let's see next sentence. There was only this boy who daced the prize. There was only one boy who won the prize. Then next one, the golden days was very days to him. The golden days was very days to him. Golden deer was very dear to him. Then Ramu's days loved to play in the days. Ramu's son loved to play in the sun. S-U-N, sun. Okay, now let's listen. Relax your feet, legs and entire body. Be as quiet as you can. Listen to the sounds around you. Tell your partner softly what you heard and ask, what did you hear? Let your partner talk about or copy those sounds. Read out the following phrases aloud. Divide them into loud and softer sounds. So here some words given. We have to divide these all words in two parts. First loud sound and then softer sound. So let's see. Clapping hands. Which kind of sounds it is? Yes, clapping hands is a loud sound. Okay, so here I am doing right tick mark, which we have to write in loud sounds. Okay, and a warm moving is softer sound. Stamping feet, it's loud sounds. Okay, a bud blooming is softer. A butterfly flying, softer. A feather dropping, softer sounds. An ant walking, softer sound. A car moving is loud sound. The wind blowing, softer sound. Softer sound. Whisper, softer. Tip-top, softer. And a leaf falling, also softer sound. Okay, so these three sound you have to write in loud sounds, otherwise all left, these all sounds you have to write under softer sounds. Okay, now our last activity, don't give up. Here a beautiful song given. So let's read. If you keep on going and never stop, you can keep on going, you can make it to the top. Life is full of mountains, some are big and some are small, but if you don't give up, you can overcome them all. So keep on going, try not to stop. When you keep on going, you can make it to the top. Again, if you keep on going, and never stop, you can keep on going, you can make it to the top. Life is full of mountains, some are big and some are small, but if you don't give up, you can overcome them all. So keep on going, try not to stop. When you keep on going, you can make it to the top. Okay, now this all work you have to complete in your Marigold textbook. Okay, thank you.